Hey there! Thinking about diving into the world of trading but don't know where to start? You're in the right place. Let's break it down into some essential tips and tricks for beginners. First off, trading is the act of buying and selling financial instruments like stocks, bonds, currencies, or commodities. It's all about capitalizing on price movements. Sounds simple, right? But there's a lot more to it. Next, you wouldn't jump into the deep end of a pool without learning how to swim first, right? The same goes for trading. Read books, watch videos, take courses. Learn the basics of market analysis, technical and fundamental analysis, and understand different trading strategies. A crucial step is, look for brokers with low fees, good customer service, and reliable trading platforms. It's also important to ensure they're regulated by financial authorities for your safety. Now let's talk about, this is your blueprint. It should include your financial goals, risk tolerance, trading strategy, and the rules you'll follow. Stick to your plan. Emotional trading can lead to big mistakes. On to. As a beginner, it's better to trade smaller amounts. This way you can learn and make mistakes without losing too much money. Think of it as paying for your education. One of the most essential tips is, many brokers offer these for free. It allows you to trade with virtual money and get a feel for the market without any risk. Use it to test your strategies and gain confidence. Don't forget to use stop-loss orders to limit your losses. Never risk more than a small percentage of your trading capital on a single trade. This way, you can survive losing streaks and stay in the game longer. Also, write down every trade you make and the reasons behind it. Analyze your successes and mistakes. This helps you learn and improve over time. Now, let's talk about. Keep an eye on financial news, follow market trends, and be aware of economic indicators. This information can affect markets and help you make informed decisions. Lastly, trading isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time to learn, develop your skills, and grow your capital. Stay focused, stick to your plan, and keep learning. So there you have it. A beginner's guide to trading with essential tips and tricks. Remember, the key to successful trading is education, practice, and discipline. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.